It's been a while since I made a video. Anyway, what I'm busy doing with my MG is restoring the interior, and as you can see there's bits of interior scattered all over. So the first thing I need to do is actually tidy the garage and actually try and get those seats, which were from a Mazda MX-5, into the shed. That'll create more room. But as you can see, there's all sorts of interior and all sorts of things which I need to tidy away and just make the working space a little bit more tidy. The job of the day is restoring my interior. As you can see, I've stripped it all out. All I've got is a seat in. The driver's side floor is absolutely solid. I've removed the soundproofing and everything is absolutely solid as a rock. As you can see, it may be a little bit hard, but the sills are fine. But as you can see, there's a lot of rubbing down to do and just preparing for paint, but it's solid as a rock. And I'm going to try these things. I do have a grinder, and as you can see, I've been grinding out parts of where it needs to be welded. However, my grinder needed new bushers. Bought the new bushers. I took the fittings on holiday to Ibiza and left them there. So now I'm going to have to use my power drill with these items and see what results I can actually achieve. But it's clean. I can put some rust prevention on there, and then let's get this welded, seam sealed, zinc paint and some hammerite, and then put the sound deadening, and it all should be fine. Sort of like wiring out, and it should be good. But as you can see, got holes there and just there, just above the exhaust. So it's going to be welded. Also rub this down with the gearbox, so that will go back on. Goes back on there. So we'll paint that, and that should be good. Okay, let's push on.